My dear students, welcome again to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhonde High School digital class. Children, you must have watched yesterday's video about the conjunctions. In our today's video, we will solve some exercises about the conjunctions. We will learn today how to use conjunctions, when and in which kind of sentences we use conjunctions. This is lesson number 22 from your Learner's English Grammar book, and the page numbers are 47 and 48. In our yesterday's video, we have learned about the conjunctions and, or, but, because, so, then, and many. Today we will use these conjunctions and we will solve the exercises. Students, we know that for same ideas we have to use conjunction and. For choices we have to use conjunction or. If we have opposite ideas, we should use conjunction but. And for reasoning, we have to use because as the conjunction. So let's start solving the exercises today. This is the first exercise from your book, that is underline the conjunctions. These are the sentences given and we have underlined the conjunction to make you understand. I went to the doctor because I was sick. Children, here we have used conjunction because as there is a reason given here. Now second, Sunday and Monday are the names of the days of the week. Here we have to write about the days for both the sentences. So we have combined the sentence using conjunction and. Now here are choices. Study well or you will fail. So we have used conjunction or. He is poor but honest. Poor and honest are kind of opposite expressions. So to make a single sentence we have used conjunction but. The weather becomes cool as we go up the mountains. Here we have used conjunction as. Now this is second exercise from your textbook. Fill in a conjunction. These are the sentences we have already solved for you. We will read now, listen it carefully. And you have to write down these exercises in your grammar textbook and also in your grammar notebook. First, the furniture in the room consisted of a chair and a table. It was hot, so she wore a cotton frock. You have toothache because your teeth are not healthy. Ganpat is a better badminton player than Sampat. I must hurry up or I will miss my bus. So children, in this exercise, we have used various conjunctions, that is and, so, because, then and or. You have to read and you have to watch this video to practice use of these conjunctions. And here is one more exercise. See, here are written each sentence for the each conjunction. You have to read very carefully and you have to practice how to use given conjunctions and to frame a sentence. We will read all these sentences for these conjunctions. Conjunction while. I fell asleep while I was watching TV. Then, Soham can run faster than Shivam. Conjunction as. The students left the classroom as the bell rang. Conjunction because. Ridha is very happy because she is going to picnic. Conjunction and. Rita and Nita are hockey players. Here is one more exercise, children. We have to frame a sentence for given conjunctions. You can see in this slide that we have given one sentence for each conjunction in this slide. You have to watch the video and you have to read all the sentences for your practice and for your understanding. Conjunction while. I fell asleep while I was watching TV. Conjunction than. Soham can run faster than Shivam. As. Conjunction as. The students left the classroom as the bell rang. Conjunction because. Ridha is happy because she is going to picnic. Conjunction and. Rita and Nita are hockey players. We'll solve one more exercise. These are some more examples to solve here. The first exercise is again to underline the conjunctions. These are the sentences and we have given the answer also by underlining all the conjunctions in each sentence. Sona and Mona are twins. I did not go to school because I was sick. Study well or you will fail. The young man was poor but honest. Don't go from here until I come back. In all these sentences, you can see we have underlined the conjunctions, that is and, because, or, but, until. Now we have to write the conjunctions. Fill in the blanks with correct conjunctions. The earth and the other planets revolve around the sun. I will attend the party, but I will be a little late. You can use this pencil or that. Make hay while the sun shines. Apple and mango are the names of fruits. In these sentences, we have written the correct conjunction to make all of you understand how to use conjunctions. Children, with this video, we have solved many more examples of all the conjunctions. If you have liked the video, like it, share it and subscribe it. And wish you all a very nice day. Keep studying and keep playing. Thank you, students.